Have you ever wondered what would happen if justice was determined not by humans, but by nature itself? In the dusty archives of an ancient library, law philosopher Dr. Elara Finch stumbled upon a cryptic map hidden within the pages of a forgotten tome. The map hinted at an uncharted island where nature itself presided over justice. Intrigued, she embarked on a daring expedition, driven by an insatiable curiosity. Upon arrival, she discovered a land untouched by time, where the laws of the jungle, ocean, and sky governed the fate of all who dared to enter. Trees whispered secrets of past transgressions, and rivers judged the sincerity of souls. In a dramatic climax, Finch found herself on trial for a minor trespass, facing the island's ultimate arbiter, a colossal eagle, whose piercing gaze weighed her very essence. As she awaited her fate, Finch pondered the profound implications of a world where the balance of justice lay in the hands of the natural world.